Carefully remove the button from the lighter and take out the piezoelectric crystal inside. Open the piezoelectric crystal and take out the small spring inside. Stretch the spring slightly to make it longer, and then cut the earth wire attached to the piezoelectric crystal. Now, place the spring back inside the piezoelectric crystal and carefully reassemble it. Remove the flame guard from the lighter carefully. Now, reattach the button to the lighter, apply some glue on it, and then place the piezoelectric crystal on top. Now, make a hole in the flame guard. Place the flame guard back onto the lighter, then take a small stick and insert it into the lighter. Now, press the piezoelectric crystal, and the stick will launch out, hitting the target. Take a can, apply glue to the top, and seal it shut. Then, make small holes around the can. Now, make a hole at the back of the can, insert a plastic pipe into it, and secure it with glue. Now, take a lighter and remove its flame guard. Apply glue to one side of the lighter and securely attach a nut and bolt to it. Apply glue to the front of the lighter and attach the other end of the plastic pipe securely to it. Take a wooden sheet, apply glue to it, and securely fix the can onto it. Now, apply glue to the other side and securely fix the lighter in place. Tighten the nut and bolt to release the lighter's gas, then use another lighter to ignite the can from the top. Now, the can is ignited, and the project work is underway. It's truly an amazing project. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe to the channel for more small and amazing projects like this. Take a plastic bottle cap. Make a hole in it with a cutter, and then attach the tube valve into the hole. After fixing the tube valve into the cap, attach the cap to the plastic bottle. Then, make a hole at the back of the bottle using iron soldering. After making a hole in the plastic bottle, insert the steel hook into the bottle. Now, fill the plastic bottle with water, then loosen the tube valve and test it. Observe how the water flows and make sure the setup is working as expected. Now, hang the plastic bottle with the plant. Slowly, the water will drip into the plant. This method ensures the plant gets a steady supply of water over time. Take a syringe, remove the cap and other attachments, then remove the back side and cut both the front and back sides of the syringe. Now, take a balloon, cut it in the middle, and stretch it over the syringe. Secure it in place with tape. Take a stick, insert it into the syringe, pull the balloon with it, and use it to hit the target. This simple trick is absolutely amazing. Take popsicle sticks and apply glue to one of the sticks. Now, cut the cutter blade and attach it to the stick with glue. After attaching the cutter blade, apply glue to the stick and fix the second stick on top. Now that the cutter tool is ready, it's time to use it for your project. I hope you liked these life hacks, ideas, and tricks. Thank you for watching the video.